My name's Alistair McNair. I'm a programmer and operator on the LT7 tube laser. I've recently been, 3 other colleagues went to Italy to do full training on software and how to run the machine. And the new machine, it's sort of twofold. We've got new software and new laser, so the interface is a lot quicker. We can program frames in one go as opposed to individual parts, which we had to do before. That's transferred straight to a machine and it works out the optimum way of cutting it. It's a colder cut on the new tube laser. Basically, before we were using CO2 and nitrogen. This one means not putting as much heat through the steel, which means you get a much cleaner cut and it's a lot quicker to produce parts. The old tube laser, we had to individually mark numbers with sort of like a felt tip pen and whatnot, which can easily rub off. So this one, it will etch every part number on, which makes the whole process a lot easier for the welders, metalworkers, and on site. It's been very interesting learning something new, and obviously having the opportunity to go to Italy to learn both these things was wonderful.